There are tears in the courtroom as the trial begins involving a deadly crash. Michele Schuster is accused in that crash, which killed a utility worker and injured 4 others a year ago in Westchester.
She is charged with aggravated vehicular homicide and other serious felonies. Picking a jury has been a big job. Local 12's Larry Davis is live with a look at the first day of this emotionally packed trial. Larry.
Hi, Paula. Well, it did take just about 6 hours to pick that jury today, and once in place, the attorneys for both sides outlined for them just what they hope to prove in this case. Dabbing her eyes with a tissue and turning away at times, Michele Schuster heard Assistant Prosecutor Brad Burress map out his case against her. Schuster is being tried on a number of charges, including aggravated vehicular homicide. Police say she drove her car into 4 utility workers in Westchester last year, killing 1 and injuring 3 others. In opening statements today, the defense claims that Schuster was drugged by a male friend just prior to the accident. Prosecutors say the Xanax that was found in her system left her impaired when she, quote, sent bodies flying through the air.
And he detected a slight odor of alcohol inside of the vehicle. Michele was drugged. She didn't voluntarily take the Xanax. She didn't voluntarily get behind the wheel and decide she wanted to drive under the influence.
And Paula, the defense attorney Lawrence Hawkins says that Schuster was drugged by a man who she thought was going to be a platonic relationship. Apparently he wanted much more than that. He claims that drugging took place at a local restaurant in Westchester. Now, prosecutors say that 2 of the injured workers of that utility workers who were injured that day will end up taking the stand, talking about what happened that day and the extent of their injuries. 1, though, will not take the stand, apparently because of the seriousness of those injuries that he received. Hawkins seemed to indicate in his openings today that Michele Schuster will take the stand. Live in Hamilton, Larry Davis, Local 12 News. Paula, back to you.
All right, thank you, Larry. And jurors will hear the first testimony tomorrow morning, and Larry will have it covered for you here on Local 12. And the trial could take the rest of the week. Today, the nation